Want to onboard new teams or members without manual setup? LaunchLinks let new users sign up, create their own team or company, get added to the right circle, and receive a project automatically. First, go to the settings of any circle, then click Generate LaunchLink. The link is active by default and ready to use. Activate Automatic Project Assignment. Choose a project template, and your new users will receive a project automatically when they sign up. Now copy the LaunchLink and share it wherever you onboard new members. When someone uses your LaunchLink, they'll create their profile. Next, form their team, join this circle, and most importantly, receive a project right away, ready to go. You can disable the LaunchLink at any time to stop new registrations. The sign-up page will be deactivated immediately. LaunchLinks are the fastest way to scale structured onboarding. No manual setup needed.